Okay, today go. Yeah, bump. Know how to do it. Keep going. I wanted to come in. I wanted to come in. Come on, man, bump it some more. She's gonna come in. She's gonna come. She's gonna come in. She's gonna come. I heard an elephant.
This is my favorite distance song.
Come on, man. I want your phone to come in so bad. So I can record it.
Just like how I roll. And then I wrapped around a cold roll. Show me stuff. Throwing out that thing come out. The doc come out. It's $30 and it's every day.
What'd you say?
What you write?
Give me a minute, I'll be here to now. Oh man, I'm gonna put that shit in the trash.
Hey, put on apple bottom jeans. I would put on base
That's what I'm talking about.
I don't think she can hear this.
That's bass for you.
The treble, that's really hot.
She's gonna come in here with pots and pans. You think you're funny?
Still like the whatchamacallit better.
Man, I'm still recording. What up?
Oh, you're still recording.
Been recording. Haven't stopped yet. Have not stopped. A million. Your mom hates you right now.
Tell me you're still recording.
I'm still recording. I don't have the same song. Switched it. Eminem.
Oh man. What's that? You put on some crunk music all through it'll be a crunk.
Who is a Hulk? Yum. Nigerian hair. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Bump it. New system has to be worn in.
Well, you got 45 days.
We got 45 days to bump. Step on it last day. Kill that D-Hawk.
Ain't another nigga wrong me. Smoking up the block, I'm the
What is it?
Maybach music.
I like this Maybach music. Wait.
Shut up. Oh shit. Oh shit, put it down.